Hey everyone, welcome back to Kayla's video. So today I will be doing these, I don't know what they're called, but you get to, well that's what it says, I can't read it, but Aroma jewelry. And so I will be making them and opening them. So let's get started. Okay, so I will see you after I'm done opening it. Okay, so I kind of have it open. I just did the top. I had to use my handy scissors. So take this out. So I had to cut the top to open it. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So I am gonna take this off the top parts. Sorry. Okay, so this is all of the stuff, and I might have to do this with a grown-up, but I'll see if I can do it by myself. Okay, where do the instructions go? I lost the instructions, but I think I want to do this one that says love. I think you're supposed to pour the oil on. Thank God, where did the instructions go? Instructions. Oh, here they are. Oh, here it is. So it looks like they're dropping it on there. Okay, here it is. So it says the oil should only be applied to the bar wood or the floss tails. Do not apply the oil to the plastic. Okay, so I think I want to do the orange smell. I think that one will smell good. Okay, so there we go. Then I'm gonna open it. Okay, now what does it say to do? Take this out. What? Do I really? Oh yeah, guess I do need to do what it says. Okay, so, oh, there we go. Okay, and then now what do I do? Wait, this isn't... Yeah, I'm gonna use a brush and paint it because I don't know really how to. Okay, so I have a little brush. I'm gonna dip it in the oil, and I'm just gonna kind of paint it with the oil, right? Yeah. Right. Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I guess painting it does kind of work. I will rather do painting it than what it says to do. So, I guess I might as well see you after I done a couple, and I will show you what it looks like. And that's what the keychain looks like. This is love. So I will be doing the next one with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do a necklace. Okay, for the necklace, I want to do, this cute circle we have seen. No, actually, I want to do this giant. Yeah, I want to do this one. Pop out, pop out. Why won't you come out? Come out. Oh, finally. I got it. Okay, so I think I want to do peppermint now. I think peppermint is a good, strong smell. All I can say, it's definitely pretty strong smell. I want to do this little heart thing if I can put it on. Oh yeah, this would be easy to put on. But I need some more stuff with it. I think this cute blue one will work. So I'm gonna open the peppermint. Like, this is a tiny bottle, so I don't want to like spill it. Thank God. Why won't you open? Why did the orange one open so much easier? Oh, this is hurting my arm. Almost did it. Okay. Finally, I'm not that strong. So I'm gonna paint this to make it smell good. Because I'm sure a lot of people like a jewelry that smell nice, right? Yeah. Oh, that is strong. Okay, I think I have everything that I needed. So I need this little thing. Okay, I need to put this through the little hole. And I do not want to close it yet because I want to put the little keychains on. Oh, look how cute that looks. Once again, was not supposed to close it. Okay. So, do I just put it through? Well, I believe so. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there goes all the stuff that I put it on. Isn't that just such a bummer? Now I gotta put all the stuff back on. It was literally on the desk this whole entire time. There we go. Now we close it. Just like that. And there is my necklace. I think this is super duper cute. Yeah. I do not want to do all of them in one day, so I think that's all I will be doing today. Plus, I was also going to do this. Today we were going to do just a little spa day. And yeah. So. Oh my god. God, finally, there it is. So make sure you guys subscribe, go press on the notification bell, and press on like. Bye.